What up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, what's good? In this video, I'm showing y'all how I make my ultra moisturizing lip oil. This is my lip oil called Gold Digger. Gold Digger. It is infused with 5 different oils, as you can see. It has gold shimmers, edible flakes, and dollar signs. The name behind this is behind my cousin. She's a gold digger, not a gold digger, but a gold digger. And whatever she wants, she gets. She sets all her goals and she gets them. She got her dream job. She bought a house. She had another kid. She's truly gold. So this is actually named behind her. So I just want to show you guys. These are all the oils I use. I will explain those in a bit. But let me just show you. You know how oils, sometimes they could just slide everywhere. This is going to stay in place. It's going to stay in place. It's not going to be all over your lips. This is my personal one. And I just want to show you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And today is Cyber Monday. If you're watching this, go catch them. They're on sale right now for $3.50. So we use the fractionated coconut oil, which moisturizes your lips and leaves them super, super soft. We use the grapeseed oil, which nourishes, protects, and heals your lips. This is my jojoba oil, which protects the barrier and locks in moisture. Vitamin E oil reduces fine lines and nourishes, And the lanolin, it is a wool allergy. If you have allergy to wool, it's a wool allergy. And it basically treats dry and chapped lips while deeply moisturizing. Lanolin is something that they put in products to like deeply moisturize. If you ever had a child and you breastfed and you had to get like nipple cream, you will see that lanolin is a product in that because it is to protect and heal. You know, I breastfed my son and he tore my nipples up. I'm talking damn near raw. They was, oh my God, they was healing, scabbing, and everything. And I bought a nipple cream. I forget it was called lanolin something. But this was the main ingredient in it, and it healed it immediately. If you look in Aquaphor, lanolin is a definitely a ingredient in there. You know, Aquaphor, it is a healing moisturizing cream, you know. So I was like, let me make this lip oil for the winter. It's winter lips, and it looks so pretty. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I make it. Step-by-step measurements. I know I like to give measurements in case you want to replicate it. You don't have to add exactly the decals and stuff I add into it, but this recipe will be really good for you. Like I said, look, it's still staying here. It's not sliding anywhere. So it's going to sit on your lips and it's going to penetrate your lips. The oil not going to be everywhere. You feel me? So these are the bottles I got. I got these from Amazon. It came in a 24 pack. I forget how much they cost. But these bottles, I think I forget how many ounces it is, but I'll get all that information for y'all. It came with these items, the tops, the funnel. This is to put the bowl on. These are all sanitized and clean. As you can see, I got them sitting in the bowl. And I bought these tweezers specifically for this item right here. These edible gold flakes. I got these from Amazon as well. And these tweezers I bought, I bought these from Amazon. I just bought them. It came with it was a 2-pack. It had the straight ones and it had like these curved ones. And these tweezers are for the girls who actually do eyelash extensions, like, you know, the individuals. But I was like, I need something very precise, you know, to put these things in a bottle. Also, these dollar sign decals. I got these from Etsy, from Tiffany Lang Design. I've bought a lot of her like confetti glitter, so I really enjoy that. So we're also going to be using Get Suckered Clear Vanilla flavoring oil because I do add that into it as well. We are using 24 karat gold mica from TKB Trading and a squeeze bottle, and I'll get into that later. And then you also want to have a spoon and a bowl. So each one of these bowls, I you know, labeled everything for me and for y'all, just so y'all can see. Again, coconut oil fractionated, because, you know, regular coconut oil solidifies. We need coconut oil that does not solidify. So fractionated coconut oil, this is what I use in my clear gloss. Grapeseed oil, these are used in all my other glosses. We have jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and lanolin. Each one of these cups have 1 ounce in it, which is perfect because it comes up to be about 5 ounces, and that will basically fill all my bottles, maybe a little bit left over. So now another ingredient I use, because again, this is for winter lips, we want this to be extra moisturizing. We're going to use a teaspoon of Versagel. Whatever base you got, Versagel. So I already have that pre-made right here. As you can see, this is Versagel. You want to add a little bit of Versagel because, again, we do not want the oil. You know, if you put oil on your lips, it's just going to be all over your lips. Like, it really is. It's gonna be everywhere. It's going to be mad shiny, looking like you just ate chicken right out the fucking grease. And we don't want that. We want it to sit on our lips and we want it to penetrate. You know, you just don't want it to just sit on top. You want it to penetrate and to heal your lips and moisturize them. It's wintertime. Sometimes we lick our lips too much. And, you know, like, come on, we don't need that. We need our lips cute at all times. So this is my No Problema Versagel that I've been using for a while. And I love it. Honestly, I like it better than the TKB. And they're actually cheaper. So y'all go check out No Problema. So we just using a teaspoon, excuse me. And if you guys didn't know, I actually measured that the other day. These spoons that I get from Dollar Tree, they measure a teaspoon. So this is a teaspoon. We use a teaspoon. And you guys, let me show you something real quick. I have already pre-filled these bottles with the edible gold flakes and the dollar signs, if you can see. But there's one I didn't fill. So I will show you guys how I do that with these tweezers I just bought. And yeah, let's get started. So we're just gonna add each one by one. I measured these. I'm telling you, everything is 1 ounce. Coconut oil, grapeseed oil. Make sure you get every little drop. And lanolin is thick. If you guys can see that consistency, it is thick. But it's so moisturizing. It's good for your hair. It's good for your skin. I'm going to use this spoon to just get the rest of it out. But it's very, very thick. It's expensive to use too. As far as, I mean, the little bottle I bought. But I still have more of that in there. Okay. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to eyeball this. You can put as much mica you want in as you want. I'm gonna eyeball it to see, you know. And that might have been a teaspoon as well, honestly. I didn't put like a lot. And then you just want to mix. Okay, so after mixing for 800 hours, I had to go get a fork. So you guys, don't do exactly what I just did. What I actually recommend you do is after you put the Versagel into your bowl, gradually add your first oil and then mix it. Because I did that. I poured all them damn oils in there, being so damn fast. And of course, it didn't mix as well. So I had to like really go in and mix it. So, but I'm also not doing this video over either. So I mixed it. I've got all the Versagel now out and mixed very well. So yes, I recommend gradually add your Versagel. Don't do what I just did by throwing it in. I'm sorry, I was moving so damn fast and messing up. So we're using our clear vanilla flavoring oil because the lanolin actually has a scent to it that's a little overpowering. And I don't want nobody smelling that. I feel like grapeseed oil do as well. So I put, then you can add as much as you want. The more you add, the stronger the scent. So let's just mix that in. And it looks so pretty. Guys, so I've added my clear vanilla flavoring oil. And as you can see, the oil has a little bit of thickness to it. And I believe that's because of the Versagel and the lanolin. Like, it's not just going to be like a watery, super watery oil, you know, just sitting on, you know, spreading all over your lips, over the line of your lips and all that. You know, we want it to sit on our lips, you know. So that is that. I had to add a lot of the oil because the lanolin does have a strong smell to it. So look how pretty that is though. All right, you guys. So I'm going to show you guys how I fill the bottles with my edible gold flakes. Got these from Amazon. And my $ decals. So it basically is going to look, you know, like this. You can see the $signs. You can see the edible gold flakes. So what I do, and I don't put a lot. This is how the edible gold flakes look. So like I said, I bought these tweezers. These tweezers are made for girls who do eyelash extensions, but I needed something really precise. I was like, how am I gonna put it in there? And these flakes, they're a little you know, they stick a lot of places. So you want to make sure you get like little pieces, not overly big. Unless you want to go for the big pieces, that's fine. So I just put it in there. And it goes right in. I'm looking for smaller pieces to add in there. I'm gonna add like two more pieces. That's a good size actually. All right, we'll do that one. So that went in very easily because these gold flakes they'll stick to everything. I'll set this here. Open my bag. And I'll add like six to seven decals. And these are so cute. I actually have these in my Cash Money gloss. This is my Cash Money gloss. It has the $ in it. This is an ultra clear gloss. And this is it in the wand tube. I don't have my labels on them, but you see that? I love, love, love. And these are the decals I used. So I think I added, I can't even see, I might have added 2 or 3 in there. So we're not gonna add like a whole bunch. And then the young lady who sells these, she actually has them in silver as well. You see? $. Yes, I put about 6, maybe 7. Yeah, so these are the last 2 I put in there. All right, we'll close that up. You know, earlier I showed you this condiment bottle. I got this from Dollar Tree. I'm not gonna use this funnel that it came with because I'm all about convenience. So I'm gonna set this back in here. I should actually clean this stuff up. Move this stuff out the way. What we're gonna do, and let's hope I do not make a mess. We are gonna mix this again. You see the consistency of it? We want that oil to stay on our lips. Oh shit. Take your time. Cause I'm ODing. Trying to be fast. All right. So, of course, I did make a little mess. Because like I said, I'm messy as fuck. And we're gonna clean that off. Okay, so we have my top. I already pre-cut this because as you know, these condiment bottles, they come, it's like really skinny, but I already cut the top off. So, and I'm gonna shake it up a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna just show you how I fill them. So as you can see, this one is already filled. And we are just gonna, super easy. Boom. And then you want to take your top and squeeze it right on. It's your top. And that is how you make your lip oil. And I like this one a lot. You get to see the shimmers, you get to see the gold flakes, you see the dollar signs. And it's the dollar signs there. They'll move around. Super, super moisturizing, you guys. Super, super moisturizing. Love, love, love. So pretty. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. So this is how they look. This is the finished product. You see they are very sparkly. You can see the gold flakes. I am very pleased with them. Go catch them on sale for Cyber Monday.